Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this model. This is the actually diametric model, diametric view. This is the not isometric. This is the diametric view. Okay. This is the third angle projection drawing. There are the different views of this. This is the front view, left view, top view, bottom view, and right view. This is section A. At this point, at this section A, and this is the section CC at this section. This is actually top view at CC. This is a section view, and this section view is in the front view at A. Okay. First, I will start from this bottom base. This base, as per this is in the, if you see in the bottom view, this is a square actually. This is a square. 80 by 80 square, and there are the 4 holes in this one. Extrusion height is 12 mm here. I will start from the base from the bottom base. Drawing is this one, 80 by 80 square, and there is a circle of 80 mm because this is a square, and 4 holes of 12 mm and throughout hole of this thing. Okay, let's start. File, new, part. Okay, part is actually default template. Okay. And background plain white, and unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. You can select any other system as per your requirement. Okay. Now top plane. I am taking top plane sketch. I am taking this 3-point center rectangle, not any other rectangle. I am taking this 3-point center angle. Okay. 3-point center rectangle, center point, first point, this one. Okay. Second point, center one, first and second point. Okay. This one. Select this line, make relation. Select this line, make relation horizontal. Okay. Now in this way we acquire the required shape as per drawing. Okay. Now this is it. This dimension is 80 mm, and this dimension is also 80 mm. This is also 80 mm. Okay. So in this way, we acquire the shape as per required in the drawing. Okay. Now draw a circle here, this one, but select this, make construction, and this dimension is 80 mm also. Okay, it will touch all the sides here because this is a square of 80 by 80. Okay. Now I am drawing this at this point, quadrant point. Dia of this circle is 12 mm. 12 mm. Okay. Now in the sketch mode, it's linear circular sketch. Select the point, this one. Okay, 360 degree, equal spacing, entity to pattern, this one. And 4 pattern. I am taking 4 pattern point at this center point, entity to pattern. I am selecting the circle. Sketch is full. Okay. Now, if you see, sketch is not fully defined. I am selecting this point, shift, and this circle. Make relation coincident. Okay. Again, this point and this circle. This point, shift, and this circle. Make relation coincident. Fully smile. Because in drawing the circular sketch pattern, the center of the circle is shifts somewhere. So select this point and circle, make relation coincident. Then it will become fully defined. Otherwise, you can go into this one here and can directly go into fully defined sketch. Okay, this one. Now sketch is fully defined. Now future, extrude boss base and 12 mm as per drawing. This one, I make this one. Now fillet is 6 mm. Constant radius fillet, select one edge. This option comes, you select first option, give the 6 mm fillet. 6 mm fillet, first. This one, you use small window comes, select first option. Now system automatically detects all balance at 3 edges. Okay, this way. Now this is now if you see, now I will make this portion circular portion. Okay, here you see the bigger dia is 42, smaller dia 30 mm, total height is 150. This smaller dia at a height of 30 mm. Okay, I make this way. This surface sketch normal. I am drawing 2 circle. Smaller dia is 32. This one. Okay. Now height of the bigger dia is, that is 150 minus 30. Actually this is 120 mm. Height from this point, from this surface, 120 mm of bigger dia and 30 mm only this, total 150 mm. Okay, this one. Future, extrude boss base, because in selected contour there are more than one close boundary. Okay, select outer one, extrude up to 120 mm. This one, this is 120 mm outer circle, 42 mm dia. Okay, this one. Now select the same sketch. This time inside dia. This one, extrude boss base. Selected contour. This time inside dia. This one. Okay, but from condition you take the surface face plane. This condition, surface face plane. Which surface? This surface. This face. Okay, blind up to where? That is only 30 mm. This surface from this surface. Okay, blind up to 30 mm from this face, from highlighted face to up to this point, end of the point, that is 30 mm. Okay, this one. Totally one. If you measure, evaluate, measure this height and this is 30 mm. Okay, if you measure total, this surface and this surface, this is 140 mm, normal distance 150 mm. Okay, you can breathe this one. Now if you see the section view, this is a section view. This inside dia 16 mm, inside this bigger dia 26 mm, height from the top face 35, and this is the taper face, bottom dia 31, height is from bottom 40. Okay, I will make this inside portion by through revolve cut. I will make this one. Okay, please note this thing. Inner dia 16 mm top one, 26 inside middle one, and this is the up to here. 26 from this face to this one, and bottom is a 31 tapered. This is the tapered portion at a height of 40 mm. Okay, upper height 35 mm from this face. Okay, now let us make this one. Now front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, now make a center line here. Center line is very useful in order to draw a proper sketch. Okay, actually it acts as a guide actually. Okay, now take a line, take a construction line. Vertical, and don't make any relation here. This is bottom one, not from here. This is bottom, up to bottom. And height is 40 mm from bottom. Okay, bottom. This one. Select center line and this one. This is coming 9 point, this one. If I move beyond construction line, it will show the dia. Please note this thing. But this must be construction line. If you move below the construction line, this will show the radius. If you move beyond the construction line, this will show the radius. Okay, this dia is 16 mm. Okay, and select construction line and this, if you move beyond construction line, it will show the dia. This dia is 26 mm. Okay, as per drawing. And this height, if you move beyond the construction line, this is 31. Okay, and again this height is 35 mm. And from bottom to this height is 40 mm as per drawing. Please note this thing. This height is 40 mm from bottom. Okay, this one tapered section. Okay, now 16, 35 distance, middle one is 26, bottom one is tapered portion 31, and height is this one, and 35 is this one. Okay, 26, 16 you can take above this one, and 26 this one, and 31 is this one. Please carefully note this thing. Now hit right button, sketch is fully defined. You will see sketch is fully defined. I will make future revolve cut here. System is asking sketch is currently open. A non-thin revolution feature requires a close sketch. Would you like the sketch to be automatic? Yes, I will like this. And right button. Sketch is open. Undo. This. Yes, this is open. Sketch. And this line. Close from the bottom. This one. And this one. Now it will pop. Okay. future revolve cut. Yes, and hit right button. Okay, if you take the section, you will see here this one. This is negatives. Okay, this is the, and hit this one. This I will. Now I will make this portion, right hand portion, this one. If you will see this is the 150 distance. Okay, it means from the center it is a 75 mm. I will make this portion, this one, right portion, this one. I will create a plane at a distance of 75 mm because total distance is 150. Center is this one. This dia is 24 mm, middle one is 22 mm, and the depth is here. You will see the depth is here. You will find the depth. This is 22 and distance is 5 mm. Here you will see this is the distance 5 mm. 24 mm this thing. Actually here is a cosmetic thread. 24 into 3 machine thread 2A. Okay, 24, 22, and this is 32. This one. Okay, I will make this thing. Now, which plane I will take? Right plane. Right plane. Take the right plane. Future reference geometry plane. Select the right plane. Move right side. And distance is 75 mm. Distance is 75 mm. Right side. Okay. One plane at a distance of 75 because total distance is 150 mm. Okay. And hit right button. This one. Now, plane, this plane, sketch. Normal. Okay. Now, I will draw here. One is 24, 22, bigger one is the 32. Okay. This one. Outer dia I am taking 32. And this is one dia is 24 mm. And one dia is 22 mm. 22 mm. Okay. Now I have drawn 3 dias. 24, 22 and 32. Thread will be on 24 mm dia. Okay. I will make the cosmetic thread and draw a center line. Center line from this point to this point. Okay. And select this line and vertical relation. What is the height? If you will see, height is actually 60. This height is, you will see from bottom 60 mm height, center, and from center to up to distance 75 mm, and from the base point height is 60 mm. Okay. And dimension, and this height is 60 mm. This height is 60 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now carefully you have to the extrusion. You carefully extrude. First I will take 24 mm dia. Future extrude boss base. Selected contour. First select 24 mm dia. 24 is this one. This one. Select this point, but this is moving towards my side. Reverse the direction from here. And this dimension is 25 mm. This dimension is 25 mm. Hit right button. This one. Now select the same sketch. Select same sketch, extrude boss base and selected contour. This one. This dia, smaller one dia. This one, but it is moving this face. Reverse, but From condition, surface face plane, this condition you, this one, which surface? This surface, this one, this surface. Blind, what is the distance of extrusion? 5 mm only, this one. But this is moving this direction, towards my side, reverse this one. No. From surface, no, sorry, this need, not this. Select this face, this face. Clear? Slightly move and now select this face, this one, this face, not sketch plane. I am taking the condition surface face 1, this face, blind 5 mm, from this face up to 5 mm, okay, merge result, and this is 22 mm dia. Now again extrude boss way. Now select the same sketch, earlier one, select the same sketch, extrude one. This time selected contour, bigger one, this one. Move reverse direction, same condition, face plane, surface face plane, which face? This face, this one. But here the condition is up to next, this one, and this way to the right. In this way you can draw this thing. And select this one and hide the plane. Now I will draw on the right side. This one, this one. This is big. This dia is 80 mm. Bigger dia 60 mm with the PCD. 4 rolls of 8 mm, and this dia is 32 mm. Okay, I will make this. Now again, future, right plane, this plane, right plane, and this time flip side at a distance of 75. This time I will create the plane at left side. Okay, this one is sketch, normal, reverse, again normal. This is the required face. Okay, and I will draw 2 circle here, 80 mm, 60 mm, this one, draw a line here, center line, this one, join it, select this vertical relation, this time height is, this height is 80 mm as per drawing, this one. Now one dia 80 mm, and this dia 60 mm, but this dia make construction, because I will make the hole here. Okay, 4 holes. 1, right click, select, circular pattern, circular sketch pattern. Select this point, entity, this one, 4 holes. But sketch is not fully defined. Okay, the sketch is not fully defined. Again, select this point, shift this circle, coincident. Okay, still not fully defined. Second circle, select this center point and this point, this circle, coincident, not still. This point, shift this point, coincident, not this. 80 and 60. Then you can go in this one, fully defined sketch, selected entity, calculate this one, this one, and this one. Calculate. Fully defined sketch. If sketch doesn't fully define, you can go in this one and select the required entity, and then you should make the fully defined sketch. Okay, this one. Now future extrude boss base as blind, the height is 12 mm. This one, this is 12 mm. This is from center at a distance of 75 mm. Okay, 12 mm towards this side. Now again select this face, sketch, normal. Now draw a circle, center point, this one and this one, and this 32 mm. 32 mm. This is 32 mm. Fully defined future extrude boss base. This is extrusion. This is extrusion is towards my side, reverse the direction. But condition from surface face plane. Which surface? This face. This one. This face, blind direction 1 up to next. This one. Okay. This is, I made complete this one. But there is a, you will see the drawing, there is an inside hole also. You will see here. There is an inside hole here. In circular point, 16 mm this one, dia, and 16 mm this one. Later on, I will make the this cosmetic thread here. You will see here, this one. First, I will make this internal bore here of 16 mm in both the flanges. Okay, I will make this one. Select this face, sketch, normal. This one, this die is 32 mm. 16 mm, sorry, 16 mm. 16 mm, future extrude cut. But condition up to next, this one. I will show the section view in this one, 16 mm. Okay. Now, same way, here, select this face, sketch, normal, same dia. You bring your cursor near the circle point, circle. You will get the center point, draw the circle, right click, select out, and select this dia 16 mm only. 16 mm, this one. Now, future extrude cut, extrude cut up to next. Okay, this one. If you see the section view, if I hide the plane, this hide the plane, sketch, and this one, this I have made. You will see. I have completed approximately all the things, and I will make one thing more. This one. This is the section view. You will see. Okay. Now, out of the section, and one is the, I will create the, you will see, there is a 22 mm dia, this one, middle one, distance between these two is 5 mm, this is 25. Now, I will make the cosmetic thread of this 24 mm dia. How I will make? Insert, annotation, okay, and cosmetic thread. Insert, go in insert, annotation, and cosmetic thread, this one. And symmetric machine thread, and edge is this one, circular edge. Select the circular edge, and this is 24 by 2 or 3, anything you can select, and 24, this one, 2 or 3, 2 or 3, this is the pitch, up to next, and symmetric machine thread, size is this one, thread class is 2-1. Class represent the, that is the what type of precision you want. One is the more precision, second is the medium, and this is the less precision. Okay, and hit the this one, and hit the right button. And but the cosmetic thread doesn't appear. Then go in the option here, top option, document property, and detailing. Here you will see cosmetic thread and shaded cosmetics. Shaded, check this shaded cosmetic threads, and okay, this one. In this way you can make this. You can also make the thread from actual threads from here also. Okay, now one point is more left, this one here. Here you will see there is a cut 42 mm dia at a depth of 2 mm. Yeah, this is the section view of this. In the top view at section CC. So this is the 42 mm dia in the round flange and this one. Okay, I will make this thing. Select this face, sketch, normal, circle, get the center point, bring your cursor near the circle point. This one center point, and this is the (42 mm), this one, and future extrude cut up to 2 mm only. Blind, this is 2 mm only, and 2 this one. This is. If you take the section view, you will see here. This one. Trimetric, this is the trimetric, isometric, trimetric, diametric, in this way. I have completed all the things here, you will see. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe. You can also appearance you can add from here. This one. Appearance. This appearance. This one. Apply the material also. You can also apply the material from here. Right click, edit material. This one. Suppose AI1604. Apply, close. You can apply this. This is, you can apply this thing. Evaluate, and you can find out the evaluate mass properties. You can measure from here. Mass property, you can see this is the 220, this one. This one can evaluate mass property, and this is the mass is 2250 gram. This one you can find out the mass from here also. Okay, that's. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this lecture. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.